In the world of manufacturing, one document stands out as a cornerstone of the entire production process, the bill of materials, or BOM. Picture this, you're about to create a delicious dish, but instead of a clear recipe, you have a jumbled list of ingredients and no idea how much you need of each. Confusing, right? That's what it's like for manufacturers without a well-structured BOM. So let's dive into what a BOM really is, how it's used, and why it matters so much in the manufacturing landscape. At its core, a BOM is essentially a comprehensive list detailing all the raw materials, components, and sub-assemblies required to build a finished product. Think of it as the ultimate recipe for success in manufacturing. It outlines everything from the smallest screws to the largest sub-assemblies, specifying quantities, specification, and even suppliers. Imagine trying to assemble a piece of furniture without the instruction manual. You might end up with extra pieces or, worse, a wobbly chair. The BOM helps prevent those kinds of mishaps by ensuring every part is accounted for before production even begins. Now, let's talk about the structure of the BOM. There are two main types, the single-level BOM and the multi-level BOM. A single-level BOM is straightforward, listing all components required for a finished product in one flat list. It's like a simple grocery list. On the other hand, a multi-level BOM is a bit more complex. It breaks down the product into its various assemblies and sub-assemblies, providing a hierarchical view. This is particularly useful for more intricate products, like a car or a smartphone, where multiple layers of components come together to create the final product. So, how is this BOM used in the manufacturing process? Well, first and foremost, it aids in production planning. By knowing exactly what materials are needed, manufacturers can schedule their production runs more efficiently, ensuring they have everything on hand when it's time to start the assembly line. This leads us to inventory management. The BOM helps track inventory levels, allowing manufacturers to avoid stockouts or overstocking situations. After all, no one wants to be in a position where they can't fulfill orders because they're missing a key component. Quality control is another area where BOMs shine. By cross-referencing the actual parts used in production against the BOM, manufacturers can ensure that every component meets the required specifications and quality standards. This is crucial because any deviation can lead to defects, recalls, and ultimately dissatisfied customers. In a world where brand loyalty is essential, maintaining quality is non-negotiable. Now, let's consider the impact of BOMs on cost management. A well-structured BOM helps manufacturers identify the most expensive components in their products. By analyzing this information, they can explore ways to reduce costs without sacrificing quality. This is where the BOM becomes a powerful tool for profitability. It allows manufacturers to make informed decisions about sourcing materials, negotiating with suppliers, and optimizing production processes. But why does all of this matter? Well, let's face it, the manufacturing industry is highly competitive. Companies are constantly looking for ways to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance product quality. A well-managed BOM can be the difference between a thriving business and one that struggles to keep its head above water. It streamlines communication between teams, fosters collaboration, and ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding what is needed to create a product. Now, you might be wondering who typically creates these BOMs. In most manufacturing environments, it's primarily the engineering team that takes the lead. They design the product and specify the components required to build it. However, the production team, purchasing department, and sometimes even a dedicated BOM team play a role in ensuring that the BOM accurately reflects the manufacturing process. It's a collaborative effort, and communication is key. As we've established, BOMs are essential for managing complex products. When dealing with customizable products, manufacturers must consider various factors, such as product design, supplier management, production processes, and even cost implications. This is where the BOM becomes a dynamic document that evolves as the product and market demands change. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges associated with managing and maintaining accurate BOMs. Complexity is a significant hurdle. As products become more intricate, documenting every component accurately can be daunting. Additionally, ensuring data quality is paramount. Inaccurate data can lead to production delays, increased costs, and ultimately unhappy customers. Regular updates, collaboration between teams, and the use of specialized software can help mitigate these challenges. But what happens if a manufacturer uses an inaccurate or outdated BOM? The consequences can be severe. Production delays, increased costs, and decreased customer satisfaction are just the tip of the iceberg. In some cases, it can even lead to safety issues, which can have catastrophic outcomes. Companies can face legal repercussion, damage their reputation, and lose the trust of their customers. So, how can manufacturers ensure the accuracy of their BOMs? First and foremost, regular reviews and updates are crucial. BOMs should be living documents that reflect any changes in product design, production processes, or supplier information. Utilizing specialized BOM software can streamline this process, making it easier to track changes and keep everyone informed. In conclusion, the bill of materials is not just a document, it's the backbone of the manufacturing process. It ensures that every component is accounted for, facilitates communication among teams, and ultimately drives profitability. By prioritizing accurate BOM management, manufacturers can streamline their operations, reduce waste, and improve customer satisfaction. In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, a well-managed BOM can be the key to success. So, the next time you hear the term BOM, remember, it's more than just a list. It's a roadmap to manufacturing excellence.